Oh, yeah. It's me dancing. Yeah.
Just you, because you've been so mean to me, and you excluded me out of all the games you played. So I'm just going to fake throw this golf ball at you, because I'm so mad. Whatever. Oh my gosh, I accidentally threw a golf ball at her. Someone might trip over her, so I guess I'll drag her out of here. Ugh. Here we go. It sure is weird when people are dead. They're not annoying anymore. Phew. Good thing that's over.
No one will be tripping over her now.